Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to upload high quality video on WhatsApp. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now we are going to open our WhatsApp, and this is a sample of a video that is uploaded on my status. So how are we going to upload a high quality video on WhatsApp? This is what we're going to do. So we are going to download the Pure Status app. So we're going to go to our Play Store and search for Pure Status. So you're going to download the Pure Status app. So since we are done downloading this app, so we're just going to open it. So you will be directed into the Pure Status app and you will see your gallery. So you're just going to choose what are you going to upload, either videos or photos. So we are going to choose one of our videos here. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. So you have two options here. You're going to compress it with watermark, or you're going to compress it without watermark. So if you are going to choose to compress without watermark, you are going to have to avail to these plans. So it can be either weekly, monthly, or yearly. You also have a 7-day free trial. So we're not going to avail this one. So we are going to click skip. And we are going to compress this with watermark. If you will choose to compress this with watermark, there will be a 30-second video ad played before you can download or save your video. After the video ad, just click the share button and you will be able to see options as to what social media platform you will be able to share this video to. So just click WhatsApp and then click My Status and then click Next and then click Send. So let's just close this app and we'll go back to WhatsApp. And let's view our status. And there, that's how easy you can upload high quality video on WhatsApp. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below and I will see you guys next time. Bye!